Did you know the travel industry now supports 376 million jobs worldwide? That's about 1 out of every 9 jobs on the planet. And the growth isn't slowing down. Experts project that travel will create 89 million additional jobs over the next decade, roughly 1/3 of all new jobs expected across the global economy. Even more impressive, by 2035, the travel sector could generate $16.5 trillion in economic activity, representing 11.5% of global GDP. Travel is expected to grow at 3.5% per year, faster than the overall world economy. What does this mean for retirees, expats, and slow travelers? It means now may be the ideal time to implement a rent-a-room strategy, or rent out your entire home while you're away. As more people travel, demand for accommodations continues to rise. Travel isn't just a lifestyle choice anymore. It may be one of the biggest income opportunities of the next decade for expats. Subscribe to the Budget Retirement Options channel to learn more.